there's no formal training. There's no, this is your title. And then a couple of years later, you've got this other title. It's very little hierarchy. And, you know, if you can roll with this, if you can figure out how this works and make money, like, you get a whole lot more autonomy early on. And that's kind of what attracted me. You know, we were talking about kind of hedge funds or private equity versus hedge funds, and the conversation went kind of sideways, but not sideways, but there were other topics discussing. But one of the things that attracted me about joining a hedge fund is having that autonomy and that responsibility early on, if I'd merited it and didn't have to wait for some arbitrary time horizon and kind of job title.
So tell me about that progression, because you were there for a long time.
Yeah. So I'd love to hear. I was there for 8+ years, almost 9 years, which in hedge fund terms is like, and it practically an eternity.
You're a veteran.
And none of my friends stayed at a hedge fund, at least so far, that long. So when I did join, I had an incredible mentor, this woman who became a partner at the firm and kind of took me under the wing, and I worked directly with her.